Hey everyone, in this video I'll be walking you through my Python project called textual intrusion detection system. Basically a simple spam message detector built using machine learning and tkinter for the GUI. Let's start from the top. Yes, I have imported a few essential libraries, count vectorizer and multinomial NB from scikit-learn for text processing and classification, and tkinter for building the user interface, and message box module will help you show up pop-up alerts later, and created a small list of sample SMS messages. Some of them are clearly spam, like the one free entry in a weekly competition to win FA Cup final tickets. Others are just normal messages, which we call ham. Each message in the text list has a corresponding label in the labels list, either spam or ham. This small dataset will help us train model. I am using make pipeline to create a machine learning pipeline. Inside it, count vectorizer converts each message into a bag of words representing, basically turning words into numbers. Then multinomial NB, which is a new bias classifier, learns which words are common in spam versus normal texts. Finally, we call .fit to train the model on our example messages. Now let's build the interface. We create the main tkinter window, give it a title textual intrusion detection system, then multinomial NB, which is a naive Bayes classifier, learns which words are common in spam versus normal text. We call .fit to train the model on our example messages. We create the main tkinter window, give it the title textual intrusion detection system, and send its size to 400 by 200 pixels. Then I have added a label that says enter SMS text and an entry box where the user can type a message they want to classify. This function classify text runs when we click the classify button. It first reads the user's input. If the box is empty, it shows a warning message. Otherwise, it uses our trained model to predict whether the text is spam or ham. Finally, the result is displayed using a box pop-up. The classify button is connected to the function using the command argument, and at the end root.main_loop keeps the window running so we can interact with it. It combines machine learning with an simple GUI to let you detect spam messages instantly. You can expand this by training a large datasets for more accurate results. This is the output. Enter SMS text. We are taking the second sentence. We are taking the second sentence in our output, and it is showing us spam. That's how our textual intrusion detection system works. One more time I'll show you. That's how. Yeah. Okay, thank you.